Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Remy Salvador from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I'm 36 years old. I'm happy married and blessed. Three children's ages 6 years old, 4 years old, and 3 years old. I have 7 siblings, 4 brothers and 3 sisters, and I'm the fourth member of the family. I am college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Elementary Education and I finished my college as a working student for 4 years. I worked as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 6 years and have served 4 members of the family, including 2 children's ages 4 years old and 2 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, preparing and cooking meals, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, ironing, marketing, gardening, and pet caring. I like to work in Hong Kong because employers in Hong Kong give high salary, and I want to earn high salary to support my family and to have savings for my kids' future. I can also sing a nursery song like square, circle, triangle, triangle, rectangle, oblong, heart is star. To my future employers, please choose me as your helper because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and my responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.